Hello people, welcome
Hi.
with a new movie from Pareja Imigrante. In this movie we're gonna show you that we have a very nice new machine. And why we have this machine? We bought a new house in Spain. We have both busy jobs and we want to make our life a bit more easy. And my partner's gonna explain how we can do that.
Yeah. So for who's don't have time, or in our case, that don't like to spend much time cleaning, vacuuming, mopping, so we decided to find a better solution because here there are a lot of square meters that have to be cleaned, and it is a lot of work. We don't want to do it. We want to spend time going by bike around like you saw, taking olives and making other nice things in Spain instead of be cleaning the house. Spend much time cleaning the house. So for that, we was quite spending a time looking around how we could do it, and we got to like the machines that are quite popular now in the market. That is that vacuum. She is a vacuum machine, but she's also a mopping machine. So she do the two things in one time. So it means it's really time that you don't go there vacuuming and then afterward you have to come with a mop, and she do everything for you in one time. And she just needs electricity point. So that's quite, and she's beautiful.
There she is.
And she fits nice in some places. So that is exactly the machine we have bought. I'm gonna put the box in here. The model is the V1 vacuum robot. So that's from Imilab, that's the name. We have bought it in AliExpress, and it was in 4 days has been delivered in our home and came very well packaged, and everything came very well protected, so there's nothing, no complaints about that. The machine itself with the power station, and she came with some accessories. So we get some, I think it was 6 from that. That's one time use mop. And we get the reusable mop. That one is like a towel that you can use. Came with some filters that you have to replace in the machine. Here we have a filter, and that filter have to be replaced, so that also came. And came with that extra brush that when she's working and there are some dirty, she's turning and put it inside. So she's making sure that most of the things are inside of the vacuum. And all that's controlled by app.
And very easy. Just follow the instructions on the app, install the machine, then you can connect the machine with your app. And what's very good about this machine, it has cameras inbuilt. So what you can do, you place the machine in a room where you want it to clean, vacuum and mop cleaning. And what the machine does, the machine goes mapping the whole area with the cameras, and even obstacles is no problem. The machine will go around and do its thing. In the app you can see how strong you want the vacuum cleaner to work, and you can also choose how much water you want the mop is using. So you can put everything with your app. And it's very nice, the machine do everything by itself and give you a signal when it's ready. So for us, perfect, we can do our daily job while the machine is doing the job we don't like the most. So
everything's
win-win.
clean then. That's everything's clean then. So Roy told about the camera. The camera is placed in here, and here is the place where you see you have the mop.
One dust compartment with water tank has been removed.
So she just
Exiting
said
mopping mode.
she just said that the mop has been removed. That's the place where you clean, and here where you put water. We're gonna make a new movie saying how we make the machine operate, and but that's where the mopping place is. Of course, it's easier to you put everything back when she's in a straight surface. Now she's in my hand, I cannot put it back. Oh yeah, now yeah. But it's quite easy. You put it back. She recognizes when you take it out and she recognizes when you put it back. Here, you can see she have that
Choosing one dust compartment
brush.
with water tank has been
She have that
installed.
brush that's gonna take.
Entering mopping mode.
She talks a lot.
She talks a lot, but she's working also.
She work a lot. So here you see that brush that I told you, that's very important when you finish to clean it. More me that have a lot of hairs that you have to clean it. So have that little wheels and that ones that help her to go into obstacles. The camera have that brush also that's gonna clean when she's walking around. And the camera, she recognizes also stairs. So if you want to put her to work around the stairs, you don't have to be afraid that she's gonna fall there, because she already recognized that she cannot go further. So that is quite nice. You have to get used that she talks a lot when she's done. She's done, she's gonna tell you she won't come back. But it's really great.
And of course, now you want to see how it works in practical. We show that in the next video.
Yeah, and that's the power station. It's quite beautiful. Actually, I have to say that the design is quite nice. And here inside you have the place where the dust come in. So every time that you come back to the power station automatically take all the dust from inside. And this is placed here, and then you have to replace it when this is full. She also give you a little brush in here that you make sure that you're gonna let everything clean around. You can clean that little mouth in here because sometimes when she's vacuuming the dirt, it's needed. So it's quite nice and work for us perfectly. So that's why we decided to make that video, and we're gonna share with you in another video how she's really working, how Roy said. So thank you for watching, and until next time.